Let me solve the fifth problem here. Right, take this. The difference of 1 3 by 16 and its reciprocal is equal to, they have given reciprocal. Right, reciprocal in the sense what happens here. So let us take one fraction, that is numerator by denominator. Right, so what happens here when you reciprocal it, so denominator will goes to the numerator and numerator will becomes the denominator. So that's what we are supposed to do. Let us check out here. They have given in terms of this mixed fraction. First step, we are supposed to convert mixed fraction to improper. Right, let me convert that. 1 3 by 16. Right, how you need to convert? First you need to multiply this and then add it here. 16 ones are 16 plus 3, that is going to be 19. 19 by 16 is the fraction, one fraction. Now let me go with the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this fraction, that is, I told you that numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. That is going to be 16 will go to the numerator and 19 will become will come to denominator. Now we need to find the difference of this 19 by 16 and 16 by 19. Now, so the difference is 19 by 16 minus 16 by 19. Right, now so take a LCM here. So 16 and 19, which is not possible to divide by each other, or so now what we can do, so we can multiply it, that is 16 into 19. 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 4, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, this will become 304. So 304. Now that is the LCM of 16 and 19. Now 304 you divide by 16, you will get 19. 19 that should be multiplied with this 19 minus 304 divided by 19, you will get 16. 16 into 16. Now you know 19 into 19, 19 into 19 is 361 minus 16 into 16 is 256, right? 6 6 are 36, 6 3 carry, 16 plus 6 22 plus 3 25, 256 by 304. Now subtract it here. Right, you need to subtract 361 minus 256. Right, 361 minus 256. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Right, 5 minus 5 is 0. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this will become 105 by 304. Right, now so I can't convert this into, right, what, because the numerator is lesser than this is a proper fraction. So the option, let us check out here, 4 by 3, 1 by 8 and 15 by 6. The answer here is none of this. Option D is the right one.